Let and class both have a temporal dead zone, but the way class handles that zone is trickier than most developers realize. Every let and class declaration is hoisted to the top of its block, but neither is initialized right away. That gap, from the block's opening brace until the declaration is actually evaluated, is the temporal dead zone. Access either binding during that window, and JavaScript throws a reference error. This rule applies equally to both. Here's where class diverges from let. A class declaration creates two name bindings. The outer binding is in TDZ until the class definition is evaluated, just like let. But the class name also gets an inner binding inside the class body. That inner binding lets static methods reference the class name. It's a second TDZ, specific to the class body evaluation. When let's TDZ ends, the binding is first set to undefined, then the initializer runs. Class is different. The binding jumps straight to the class constructor, never undefined. Also worth knowing, a class expression assigned to let or const creates two TDZ zones. One for the outer variable, and one for the inner class name inside the expression. Both let and class have TDZ from block start. Class is unique. It creates two name bindings and exits TDZ directly as a class constructor, never undefined. Keep that distinction in your toolkit. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.